Hello, Michael. Welcome to Social Work Processes UK. We are an online and offline training company for social care professionals in the UK. Welcome along to the portal. The portal is where you will find the majority of the information about your training. My name is Gradle Gardner-Martin. I'm one of the co-founders of Social Work Processes UK. I'm on this video with my co-founder, my colleague, who will be your joint facilitator on most of the training, Lorraine Tapper, and Lorraine will introduce herself in a minute. Firstly, just a little bit of a background about myself. I'm a social worker and a trainer and a consultant mainly in the field of children and families, but I was generically trained quite some time ago and have worked with adults in adult services as well, but mainly my focus is children and families and specialist training around childhood disability and child protection. So I'm just going to introduce you to Lorraine now. So Lorraine will talk about what she provides. Over to you, Lorraine.
Thanks, Gradle. Yeah, as Gradle said, I've been in social work since '85, a long time ago actually, and I've been training since 1993. But I've not just been training, and in addition to doing training, I've also worked in a range of child protection teams. I've worked in fostering, and I have also worked with adults, and in addition to that I've been a foster for recruitment and assessment. So I'm not sure how much. Gradle, is that enough?
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to now show people how to use the site. Now, most of your training will come through to you on webinars, where we will have live webinars with experts facilitated by either myself, Gradle or Lorraine. We'll send you the links for those webinars. They take place on a Wednesday evening on a 3 or 4 weekly basis. What we will do is we'll send you an email that shows you gives you a link to join the webinar. You will join the webinar and you can ask questions before the webinar, which is basically a facilitated online seminar, and it will be on the key information and the core information to do with your continuing professional development. When you come to the site though, when you're using the site, you'll see that you will log in using your login details which have been forwarded to you when you signed up for the program. If you have any problems with that, send us an email and we will give you a new login. It's really important that you don't share your login with other people. This is your training, it's about your needs, you have actually invested your time and your money in this process, so this is about you, and we'll chart how you've done by seeing how many courses you've logged into, which is why it's important that it's only you that uses your login, and also the questions that you've asked and the interactions that we've had with you. On the site you will find information about the specialist training and the professional self e-courses that we do. It's really important that you sign up to some of these courses. Currently we have 4 available courses for you to do. They are around reflective self and self-development, and we do want you to include what you've learnt from these courses in your reflective log. A really key aspect of this learning is for you to do quite a lot of self-development and show how you are using these courses in order to help you and support you. I'm just going to show you what happens when you click on one of these links. It will take you to a place here where you need to put your name and your email address in, and the course will begin to be sent to you. Again, this is really important because we can see who signed up for the course. We have on the site currently a resource page where you can download further information and resources that can support your training and your learning. We're going to have a series of experts on the course who will be providing information from their fields and levels of expertise. This is going to grow as well as Lorraine and myself offering information and advice. There will be key experts in their fields who will offer their advice, and when they do have information to share with you that they think that you might be interested in, books or information, we'll put it here in the resource section for you. Just going back to how you joined up, this is the place where you would have signed in, you would have joined up, and you can go back here in a year's time to further join up or to suggest to your friends or people you know that they might want to sign up for this over 200 hours of social care training. Just going back to the training that we're providing, this is the core training from what we know, because we are trainers in the field of children and adult social care, of what the training that's needed for continuing professional development. We're also offering specialist training on key aspects and key areas which are of concern or interest to you and agencies, and also, again, information to help you with your professional self-development. However, if you have any information that you think is vital that you would like to have training on, please let us know, because we can look to see if we can get any more experts in or any other people or any information in for you, and that will be helpful for you and for us as well in our development. Also, I'd like to draw your attention to the forum. We have a forum which we would like all participants to join up to. It's really important that you come along to the forum, because on the forum it's a place where you can introduce yourself, you can start networking with colleagues, and also to talk directly with us, the facilitators, and some of the experts around information that you might want, or for information that you want to share. We'll also be posting on the forums information about live face-to-face training events, discounts, updates, case studies most importantly, and we'd like to see you as part of this process doing lots of interaction with us and with each other. One of the key aspects of the whole training is for you to do your reflective logs. After each training that you've done, we would recommend that you complete your reflective log. Send it to us for us to actually put on it that we have seen this, we have seen you do this. That will be really vital for you to show for your general social care registration, or for those of you doing NVQs, it will add to your portfolio of evidence, and also you can send that along to your recruitment agencies, or you can add it to the information that you provide for yourself as independent workers concerning your portfolios or your work or your CVs. So come along to the first webinar, go back to the site and see any webinars that you have missed. Let us know about who you are and what you would like to have on the training, and also contribute with your peers and interact on the site. Okay, I hope that's useful. Do send us an email if there's anything you don't understand, and we'll speak to you soon.